lighting is always in an amazing state of change because of aviation and automotive. It's driven by economics and energy. Lighting is a fantastic transformational, evolutionary sphere of design, and that's why every year I can do new things. Now this is the inspiration, and this is the product. Well, one of the reasons I'm a designer in the way I am is because of some of these superheroes in Italian design who understood the quality of objects. You know, you never give me a difficult briefing. You always say absolute, total innovation, totally new, super cheap, and we sell a lot. So my brief is always very simple. Working with Ernesto, it's not like working with the brand. I mean, I work with a man, a human, and we have a very direct dialogue. You know.
This one, and I agree about these lamps. Bravo.
Great.
One time in 1 year.
We live in a new time, okay? It's the 21st century, and the computer is giving us possibilities for beautiful complexity. This algorithm has been designed in order to reflect the light. I tried to bring a new process, a new way of thinking, and from that way of thinking comes new products. I wanted Artemide to become digital, ecological, material. So within that palette, I do different things. So Solar Tree for me is very important because it's a metaphor. It's an icon of intention in an age when we have other issues coming. And the Solar Tree is not just a light, it becomes something which is about energy. So it means that people can read a giornale at night. Maybe you can plug in your telephone and recharge, or recharge your laptop. Maybe in the future you can recharge your car from my Solar Tree. So this is also a kind of a way of thinking that Artemide could support in the future. This is the Aqua series. We just try and create a system which is actually intelligent in supporting different materials. The serious condition is the glass because of the weight, the pesi.
Sure.
Yeah? So, and the dimensione.
We are waiting the answer from the glass factory.
I think dematerialization is a really important thing for society. The idea that less is more. But if you reduce things down to such a point that you can't reduce any further, you shoot yourself in the foot because you don't have anything to say. This is not a company that sells reduced products, not just, it doesn't sell a thin disc of light. You go, ah, great, but you know, I want to give feeling. I've always said that I'm a sculptor of technology. It seems to me a natural relationship between light and surface. And what we're trying to do now, this is the metal version, but if we move to glass, we have a chance to bring light through the glass. So you have multiple light effects. So maybe my role is part designer, part visionary, part sculptor of technology. I can move people's emotions with objects. I know that. But I'd also like to move their minds.